Welcome to this video, where we'll explore how you can earn daily passive income from cryptocurrency in 2025. The crypto world has evolved far beyond just buying and selling Bitcoin. Now there are dozens of ways to generate consistent income with very little effort, and in this video, we'll dive deep into the most reliable, beginner-friendly, and profitable methods that people are using right now. Let's start by understanding what passive income really means in the crypto space. Unlike active trading, which requires you to monitor charts and news constantly, passive income is about putting your assets to work for you. Once you set it up, the income keeps flowing daily or weekly without constant involvement. This can be staking, lending, yield farming, running nodes, or using automated tools. But not all of them are safe or worth your time. So we'll focus on the ones that are. One of the most common and beginner-friendly methods is crypto staking. In simple terms, staking means locking your cryptocurrency in a blockchain network to support its operations. And in return, you earn rewards. Many proof-of-stake blockchains like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana offer staking rewards ranging from 4% to 15% annually. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Trust Wallet make it easy to start staking with just a few clicks. Another great option for earning passive income is lending your crypto. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Nexo allow you to lend your stablecoins or crypto assets to others. In return, you earn daily or weekly interest, similar to a savings account but with much higher returns. For example, lending USDT or USDC can generate 6–10% APY, depending on market demand. It's low risk if you stick to trusted platforms. Yield farming has also gained popularity in 2025, although it's a bit more complex. Yield farming involves providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap and earning a share of the transaction fees. Some strategies use auto-compounding, where your earnings are reinvested automatically to increase returns. It's high risk, but the rewards can be big if you know what you're doing or use a trusted auto-farming platform like Beefy or Yearn Finance. Crypto savings accounts are another great tool, especially for those who prefer stability. These work like traditional bank savings accounts but are powered by crypto. Platforms like BlockFi, Nexo, and Crypto.com offer interest on deposits, often paid out daily or weekly. It's an easy, passive way to earn without technical skills. Some even offer bonuses for long-term holding. If you have a bit more technical knowledge, running a masternode or validator node can be a solid income source. These require you to lock up a certain amount of crypto and operate a node that helps maintain the network. In return, you earn consistent rewards. This method works well with coins like Dash, Flux, or Ethereum if you're running a validator. The income can be very stable, but the setup is more complex. Don't forget about NFT staking and GameFi. In 2025, many blockchain games and NFT platforms allow users to stake their NFTs or tokens to earn rewards. Games like Axie Infinity and Illuvium now offer staking pools, and some NFTs even generate rent-like income. It's a fun and creative way to build passive earnings if you enjoy the gaming ecosystem. Another innovative method is using DeFi aggregators. These platforms, like Zapper or DeBank, connect multiple DeFi protocols and help users find the best yield opportunities in one place. They automatically shift your funds to the highest-paying pools. This is ideal for users who want to maximize returns without switching between platforms manually. To succeed in earning daily crypto income in 2025, the key is to diversify. Don't put all your funds into one method. Use a mix of staking, lending, DeFi savings, and maybe a little bit of NFT or GameFi staking. This way, even if one source fails or slows down, others can still keep your income flowing. And most importantly, always do your own research and only use trusted platforms with strong reputations. Let's begin with choosing the right wallet and exchange. For staking, lending, or DeFi, you need a good non-custodial wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Rabbi. These give you full control over your funds and connect easily to decentralized apps. If you prefer simplicity, you can use centralized platforms like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. They offer one-click staking and savings accounts, but always remember, not your keys, not your coins. Once your wallet is ready, your next step is to buy a reliable crypto asset. For staking, coins like Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana are great. If you're going for lending or saving, stablecoins like USDT, USDC, or DAI are the best options because they don't lose value with market drops. Buy these through trusted exchanges and send them to your wallet or staking platform of choice. Now it's time to start earning. If you're using a centralized platform like Binance or Nexo, go to their Earn section, Select your coin and choose a staking or savings plan. Most of these platforms show you your daily earnings and give you options like flexible or fixed terms. Flexible lets you withdraw anytime, while fixed gives you higher rewards but locks your funds for a few weeks or months. For decentralized staking and lending, visit sites like Lido for Ethereum staking, Aave for lending, or Beefy Finance for auto-compounding. Connect your wallet, choose a pool, approve the transaction, and your crypto starts working for you. You can check your rewards anytime, and some platforms let you claim earnings daily or weekly. Always double-check the APR and fees before confirming. Another great tool in 2025 is mobile apps. Platforms like Crypto.com, Nexo, and Trust Wallet offer full functionality directly on your phone. You can stake, lend, earn, and even swap coins from anywhere. These apps also offer reward programs and bonuses if you hold their native tokens like CRO or Nexo. This adds another layer of passive income through loyalty programs and token appreciation. To build consistent daily income, track your earnings and reinvest smartly. Use tools like CoinMarketCap's Portfolio Tracker or DBank to view your returns across multiple platforms. If you earn $2 a day from staking and $3 from lending, try to reinvest that $5 daily or weekly. Over time, this compounds and increases your daily earnings even without adding new capital. Avoid common mistakes like chasing extremely high APYs from shady platforms. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Many scams promise 100% plus APY and disappear overnight. Stick to platforms with solid reputations, audits, and a strong user base. Also, avoid putting all your crypto in one method. Diversification is your best protection. Security is a must. Use two-factor authentication on every exchange or app you use. Never share your seed phrase. If possible, use a hardware wallet like Ledger for long-term holdings. And always keep a backup of your wallet in a safe offline location. One security breach can wipe out years of passive income in minutes, so take it seriously. Finally, be patient and consistent. Crypto is volatile, and earnings may fluctuate. But if you focus on reliable strategies, reinvest your profits, and stay informed, your passive income will grow with time. Set small goals like $1 per day, then $5, then $10, and keep building. Passive income from crypto is not just a dream in 2025, it's a reality for anyone who takes the right steps. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let us know in the comments, which crypto platform or method are you using for passive income? I'll be replying to your questions and sharing more tips in future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.